Okay, these are the high schools. Now, you notice class and high school advanced studies, 84% are proficient. That's really good.
Yeah.
Except those are exceptional students. Those are the gifted. So we would expect them to do well, and they do. But then what about the what is 16%? Even in advanced studies, 16% are not able to read at grade level. Yeah, and then 59% are reading. What about the other 41% in math? And these are the gifted kids. Look at Douglas High School, 8% and 1%.
Yeah, 1% in math. Well, Northeast, 0. No one is proficient in math at Northeast.
Yeah. Then we go down to U.S. Grant. We got 9%, 7%. Number of students enrolled, 1863. What are these kids' future?
Yeah. Well, and I want to say, Reed, because I've literally looked at every one of these sheets in these districts that you guys did. And it's not like this is we're just picking the worst district here to show. This is like how it is across the entire state, pretty much. There's one or two kind of standout districts that have a little better performance, but for the majority, it's this is what it looks like across the entire state.
Yes. Unfortunately, that's the way it is. We don't seem to value education in Oklahoma.